Is AI taking jobs away from fighter pilots? The answer is no, but it makes for a funny intro. I understand why some people who aren't military aviation nerds like me, and maybe even you, might think this way, but the truth is a lot more interesting, and today the Aussie-American Ghost Bat is going to help me explain it. First, let's meet the star of today's video, the Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat. Developed by Boeing Australia for the Royal Australian Air Force, the MQ-28 Ghost Bat is a type of stealth UAV known as a Loyal Wingman. Now, what is even a Loyal Wingman, and how is it any different from a normal military UAV like the MQ-9 Reaper? The answer is simple, their jobs are completely different. Traditional military UAVs like the MQ-9 Reaper mainly do two things. First, they gather intelligence on targets through surveillance and reconnaissance. Second, they use said information to blow up said targets on the ground. A Loyal Wingman doesn't do either of these as its primary mission. Its entire job is to be a fighter jet's shooting buddy. Imagine this, you have 2 to 4 squadrons of, let's say, F-18 Hornets or F-16s or maybe even 5th generation F-35s. Great as they are, performing the dozens upon dozens of tasks expected out of a modern air force is going to put a lot of stress on this smaller fleet of jets. And buying more fighter jets isn't exactly a convenient solution, as it would take hundreds of millions to even billions for the purchase alone, and then you need more pilots, and to train more pilots you need more training aircraft and infrastructure and so on and so forth. So how do you spread out the pressure on your small fleet of modern jets? You add a force multiplier. This is where the Loyal Wingman comes in. Now your existing fighter squadron suddenly has an extra aircraft flying alongside it, carrying additional missiles, scouting ahead, distracting enemy air defenses, or even taking riskier positions that you would rather not have a human pilot take. This doesn't mean Loyal Wingmen are replacing fighter jets. Compared to 4.5th and 5th generation fighter jets, Loyal Wingmen are generally slower, carry fewer weapons, and are less capable of their own, mostly relying on the superior avionics of their accompanying fighter jet or AWACS. And that's perfectly fine, because a Loyal Wingman isn't supposed to be the force. It's supposed to multiply the force that's already there. By itself, a Loyal Wingman isn't particularly impressive. But 8 Loyal Wingmen flying alongside 8 F-16s or F-18s or F-35s suddenly become 8 extra aircraft that can scout, jam, or shoot long-range air-to-air missiles. That's a problem any opposing air force now has to deal with. In simple terms, Loyal Wingmen give fighter squadrons more combat power at a fraction of the cost of buying another squadron of fighter jets. The fighter jets provide the brains, the protection, and the command, and the Loyal Wingmen provide extra eyes and extra missiles. And really, what more can you really ask for? They're not replacing fighter jets, they are making every fighter jet far more dangerous. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I will see you in the next video.